I would like to make you all well acquainted with me. Who is Ashok Doka? From where he belongs, where he was, and today, standing in all with full dedication as a president candidate for all Nisi Student Union. A brief journey. Foremostly, I would like to start my deliberation with a simple quote. A movement which moves a people is called a revolt. A movement which moves both the people and the institution is called a revolution. And standing in front of you all as a president candidate for all Nisi Student Union, I'd like to move a movement, a momentum for our Nisi people, for our Nisi student and the Institute of all Nisi Student Union, a movement of revolution. With this, I would like to say one slogan which is familiar with you all. Inqilab! Inqilab! Long live! Long live! Thank you. I was born and brought up in a tiny village, एक छोटे से कस्बे, दोका बस्ती, जो पीपू तहसील पर पड़ता है और ईस्ट कामेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट. I started my education from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Sajusa, in the year of 1992. My father, my mother did not let me get admission there. The Sangathan who came down to our village and to our circle and to our district, who make a movement for a change of education for our people, those who were living in a disparity in those 90s. Still I salute and thank them with my bow hand, that I thank to them wherever they may be, they should be lived happily. And the journey began from 1992 from VKB Sajusa. From there to Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Sepa. And from there to KB number 1 Naharlagan. I was being nurtured and brought up by myself as an orphan with a shoulder responsibility, with my siblings, with a great responsibility. I still remember those days when I was sitting and preparing for IITs and for IIEEs and for the PMTs. I still remember the most sorrowful part of my life, the most hard part of my life. Even a hope was far away from my life. Even a moment I go depressed also. But again and again, I rose, rise and rise like a phoenix from the ashes. I always think, as a big brother of family, I must play the role model and inspiration for my people and for my family. And there I took a part as a big brother and nurtured, raised my siblings to make them a better citizen for a better society. Today, हम आप सबका सामने करा है एक प्रेसिडेंट कैंडिडेट. तो मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि ये प्रेसिडेंट का जर्नी कहां से शुरू हुआ है और आपका सामने आज में एक कैंडिडेट के तौर पे करा है. I am not a new for all Nisi Student Union. My journey begins from 2011 as a candidate in all Nisi Student Union platform. I first contested as a co-convener candidate in the year of 2011, and I was defeated and lost the election by margin of 2 votes. Again, consecutively I contested the General Secretary of All Nisi Student Union in the year of 2014. Again, I lost the battle. The most interesting and the most life-changing part started here. My 2-time consecutive failure encouraged me to stand in front of you today. My 2 times failure encouraged me to be a role model for you all. This failure made me, and this failure compelled me to think what exactly Anshu needs and how to be an Anshu leader, where our community needs. In this gap of 1 decade, I make an ample correction of myself. Before I declare myself as a leader, I emphasize on myself. खुद को मैंने देखा, मेरा कमी कहाँ है, मेरा गलतियां कहाँ है, हमको कहाँ सुधरना पड़ेगा, कहाँ में मेरा एनर्जी को मैं वापस लेकर आना पड़ेगा। क्योंकि अगर हम हार मान गया तो वो लोग का क्या होगा जो हमको रोल मॉडल एक मानकर आया उनका लाइफ में, तो उनके लिए मैं दोबारा खड़ा हुआ हूं। I fill up the gap. I strengthened my weakness, and I studied where my ability must be utilized and implemented in a judicious way. So, what I would like to say is that today, when we say and when we ask our students, brothers and sisters, are you doing well in your academy? तो स्टूडेंट बोलता है यस, हम अच्छा से पढ़ाई कर रहा है. In a result, it's average. And again after second year of college, again दोबारा हम पूछता है ठीक तो है, हाँ पास हुआ अभी second year. Again after second year, हाँ अभी final year में है. And after graduation, पूरा एकदम स्माइल का साथ बोलता है I have done my graduation. मेरा लाइफ का तजुर्बा में जितना एक्सपीरियंस किया, I have seen and I have witnessed in our society, जो हमारा निसी समाज में, we the community, the Nisi, are the fastest growing community in the state. And one thing I would like to, another way, और the fastest unemployed growth भी हमारा निसी community में ही है. ग्रेजुएशन हो जाता है लड़का लोग लड़की लोग कॉलेज से, लेकिन आफ्टर 2 and 3 years they don't have any vote to introduce themselves. They simply says क्या कर रहा है बोलने से, पूछताछ करने से, नहीं कुछ नहीं कर रहा, आजकल ऐसे ही बैठ रहा है. Do you want that our people, our student, graduated student must be introduced like that? No! The competition is very tough today. The world is changing very rapidly. The technology which we are today availing, we are using, there has been encroach in our society, in our day-to-day life, ahead than our time. समय से पहले हमको टेक्नोलॉजी जो इनक्रोच किया जा रहा है. We smile, we says very proudly, हमारा टाइम में ये नहीं था, आपका टाइम में वो नहीं था, लेकिन we are lucky that this technology जो है हमारा एज में है. The another vote जो एक दूसरे एक पहलू है सिक्का का भी, जो आपका कंपटीशन जो लाइफ का है उनको नजरअंदाज कर देता है हमारा लोग जो. तो आई वॉन्ट से कि हमारा लोग जो है अपना लाइफ को कॉन्शियस नहीं है और सीरियस नहीं है, बल्कि मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं. मेरा बोलना यही है कि हमारा लोग को proper counseling, proper awareness, proper guidance, वहां में कमी है. We need a leader who must play the eye-opener role, who must guide to our students of today's generation, who must show the way. Wherever I go, wherever I deliver a speech, I always says, I consider myself as a leader. Whether losing or winning is the part and parcel of the politics. But I will always speak like a leader. Whenever I utter a single word, it should be a very inspirational. Whenever I say, it should be a motivational. And wherever I show a way, whenever I guide them, it should be a pathfinder and path guider. Today, whenever we visit the colleges of our Nisi belt, before entering to the college, बड़ा सबसे अक्सर से लिखा हुआ रहता है कि the government model college. Everywhere, government model college. Government model college Doimuk, government model college Nyopint, government model college Sepa, government model college Palin, government model college Yachuri. Very interestingly and very sadly, I don't see any model vote being properly implemented in these colleges. A model college, when we speak and when we say the model vote, a college must mold the society, mold the student for a future. Instead of that, what I have witnessed, these colleges, so-called the model colleges, has become a factory for production of unemployment. Our students after graduation from government colleges, and those students who have graduated from wealth and highly graded colleges like Delhi universities, JNU, Jaipur, and so on. हमारा यही कॉलेज का लड़का जब ग्रेजुएट करके एपीसीएस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बैठता है और वहां जो डीयू से पढ़ाई करके आता है, जिनका फैमिली वेल टू डू सेटल्ड है, those who have studied in a coaching academy for a year, उनमें और हमारा लोग में क्वेश्चन पेपर तो फर्क नहीं है, एक ही क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट किया जाता है. लेकिन जहां से हमारा लोग को एजुकेशन दिया गया है और जहां से अदर्स द कंपिटिटर्स दोस हु हैव अवेल्ड द एजुकेशंस, ये एक ऐसा डेस्पेरिटी है कि एक गड्ढा और एक घोड़ा को दौड़ में लगाना बराबर. अब अभी एक कचर एक गड्ढा को और एक घोड़ा को रेस लगाइएगा, कौन जीतेगा? तो यही है हमारा सिस्टम. सिविल सर्विस के क्वेश्चन पेपर एक, एग्जामिनेशन एक, लेकिन वहां बैठने वाला लोग का जो जिस तरह से फैसिलिटी वो जो है, जिस तरह से एकेडमी के लिए ग्रूम करके आया है, उसमें फर्क है. Don't you people, don't you students want that our colleges established in Nisi community, in the Nisi belt, should be at par with the model vote? क्या हमारा कॉलेज जो निसी कम्युनिटी में जो बसा हुआ है, क्या हमारा स्टूडेंट को आप क्या दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी वगैरह में जो हंसराज, करोलीमाल, द हिंदू, सैन स्टीफेन, क्या इनका बच्चा का साथ हमारा लोग क्या कंपीट नहीं कर सकता है क्या? द अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ कॉलेज इज नीडेड एट द आवर. Many of our government colleges are running without a proper library. A powerhouse of any institute is a library. जहां से आपका जो है नॉलेज को जो है एसिमुलेट होता है. A college without a proper library is like a temple without a statue. I see and feel a pain जब भी हम अपना बस्ती जाता है. Many of my relatives, my brothers, उनका जब छोटा छोटा बच्चा, when they do go schools, I do frequently visit my village whenever I get a time. जिस तरह से हमारा जो जितने भी बस्ती है, स्कूल जिस तरह से वहां रन करता है और जिस तरह से हमारा लोग को जो है बच्चा जो अभी का जो है छोटा छोटा जो प्राइमरी लेवल का जो बच्चा लोग जो स्टडी जो उनको जो एजुकेशन अवेल कर रहा है, जो एजुकेशन उनको दे रहा है, I see a very pain everywhere, in every platform, right from the Prime Minister of India to the State Chief Minister to the every policy maker, every MLA of the constitutions, every great academician, every bureaucrat and every technocrat, whenever in every platform they get a chance, they says, our youth is the backbone of the nation and today's youth is the backbone of the state. बोलता है कि नहीं बोलता है? तो क्या हमारा बस्ती में जो बच्चा लोग पढ़ रहा है, जिनको प्रॉपर एजुकेशन नहीं मिल रहा है, जिनका प्रॉपर क्लासरूम नहीं है, जिनका पास प्रॉपर एक शाम सुबह का जो है प्रॉपर डाइट नहीं है, क्या वो हमारा बैकबोन नहीं है क्या फ्यूचर का? Do they have right for education or not? The Institute of All Nisi Student Union was established way back 1982, and today I am standing in front of you all with 42 years running. This institute is self a brand. The institute is eye opener for us. ANSU should not confine within ICR only. ANSU should connect the policy of Itanagar with remote areas. I do promise, if I elect as a president of All Nisi Student Union, first the flag of ANSU will be raised in the remotest villages of the Nisi. Remember my vote. Every year, the foundation day of ANSU are being held and celebrated here in the Great Soul Talanghira Memorial at Itanagar. If I elect as a president of Nisi Student Union, the foundation day flag will be rose in the remotest place of the Nisi belt. Since 2011 until today, the dedication I have given to the dignified Institute of ANSU, maintaining and giving a service of leader, playing the role of leader to be a role model for my youth, to be a path guider for my people. Since then, today I say and I state, in these long years, right from 2011 to 2024, I have faced the worst adversity of my life. But I came out with a sheer dedication to serve the Institute of All Nisi Student Union in regards, in hope, with you all. Without taking much time, before I conclude my speech, I would like to advise and suggest to all my college and university young brothers and sisters, please judiciously use your time. This is your golden time. Do not make this golden time unvaluable. Whatever step you will take today, that will reflect in your life tomorrow, and you are the answerable for every step you have taken today and you are going to take tomorrow. Deep pain inside the heart, I says again and again, the competition is very tough. Our seniors, even I appealed and even I say many a times to my senior student leaders also, do inculcate the best wisdom to our young generations. With your experience, whenever I see the competition and the hard work and the seriousness of our students and where they are pursuing their academy, day by day the demographic changes rapidly, population is rising rapidly, the competition is rising rapidly, but the opportunity is very narrow. So, जब भी हमारा स्टूडेंट को बार बार मेरा यही बोलना है, whenever I see you all, any one of you all, making a careless, taking your life very leisurely, the situation, the colleges where you are pursuing study, the facility, so-called the model college are providing, really it gives a pain sense. I see you all future in a bleak. So, my advice and suggestion would be, we need to work hand to hand. We need to be more familiar with each other. We need to be more in a mutual discussion. And lastly, we must keep aside whatever our personal interest might be, but as a Nisi leader, as an Ansu leader, I request you all and appeal you all, let's make a vibrant Ansu. Let's make a vibrant Nisi. Do participate. This System General Conference Com election has a pure Nisi, has a dedicated Nisi, not as a mere voters. Be a changer. Your participation is a historic. Do not regret yourself in the days to come. Today, those former leaders, the pioneers who have engineered the institution of all this student union in a time of our the founder president, Dera Natum, his contemporary, his friends says very proudly that I cannot do anything for my society, but I am overwhelmed and lucky and proud to say that I have choose a president like Dera Natum. I want you all to be in the same parallel, in the same symmetric way. In the days to come, you must be proud of choosing Mr. Ashok Doka as a Ansu president. And I won't let you all go down by choosing me as a president of Nisi Student Union. So lastly, again, I say you all, please let us jointly glorify the Institute of All Nisi Student Union. Let us make a vibrant Nisi, a vibrant Ansu, And lastly, very much thank you from all the Apexu team and all the Asok Doka team to all the students who have come from all the colleges of Itanagar, DNGC, Ala, Nerist, NIT Jota, Jarmum Gamli Law College Jota, Rajiv Gandhi University, Beni Yaga Women College, Government College Doimuk, St. Claret, Seppa, Nyopin, and all. I give my very warm regards to you all. Thanks you all once again for coming here. Thank you.